All right, so yesterday Michael and I did about 3/4 of all the drainage that we need. So here you can see we what we did is we laid down our perforated corrugated pipe, 4-inch drain pipe right here, and underneath that we wrapped this really thick non-woven geotextile fabric, which allows water right through it, but it won't allow silt or dirt or anything like that. So it won't clog up the aquifer that we're creating here to make water flow. So I got 1 1/4 inch stone that we put the pipe down. Well, first we put the fabric down, then we put the pipe down, then we covered the pipe with the stone, and then we wrap this thing tightly around the top and staple it together with these landscaping staples right down into the rocks. So that was the method we employed, and that's going to provide really good drainage. So here we have we started to backfill a little bit over there because we had to dig out that pipe, but we've got the retaining wall here. And we don't want to build up any hydrostatic pressure behind this wall. So we've got the drainage starting down there, and it comes down through here, and then we're going to put a Y right in here, and it'll meet up with the pipe from the French drains around the house, and it'll come down here, and they'll both go out, and they'll both go under this wall. I dug a hole under there, so that'll drain out that way. Back this way, we're gonna have to dig this out again at some later point, and we'll put our French drain from this side of the house down into here and out. So I'll show you what we did in the back and the side of the house. So our French drain pitched all the way down from the back here. This is all the same rocks over top of the pipe, wrapped in the geotextile fabric. So we got that going all the way around the house. Let's see here. Show you the backside. So I was down in this trench all day yesterday, stapling things together, and we were pouring rocks in with buckets, and so it came out pretty good. And I think we're gonna have excellent drainage all the way around the house. So there's a high point here, and then everything will flow down this way and then down and out. So that's our drainage system for the house. Shouldn't have any water at all in the living space down there. This is a waterproofing membrane, this black coating on the foundation wall. Waterproofing membrane, asphalt based. Water should not be getting through there at all. So should be pretty impervious down there. Looking good.